Yeah, in this video we will learn match function. So let's suppose I want to know the location of any alphabet. So we can do this. Simply type match match. Then what lookup value, what we want to find. Then lookup array, where we want to find. Here only. Entire. We can select this simple data set, or we can select the entire column. So I go for entire column. So we are adding more values down below. So it will help. And now we want match type, exact match, less than one, greater than one. So use 0 for the exact match and then just hit enter. So location of A is 1. It's matching from starting. He'll start counting. Okay, where is A in this pool, in the data set? On the starting it is 1. If I type B, it will give us 2. I just add 1 2 3 just for the reference. Let's suppose I want to know the K, and K is at 11. Yeah, here is also 11. Any random number. So T, it is 20. Yeah, this is how we use match function. I hope you enjoy the video. Thank you. Have a great day. Please subscribe.